Hello, my friend. Welcome to my vlog. It's evening time, and I'm at my home. You can see I have wore new cloth. So it's evening time, and me and my niece we are going to communist feast. There is a communist feast nearby our city that is 500 meters far from our home. So my niece they are dressing up. I have dressed up now, and now we will leave the home. So there is a temple, Baba Nahar Singh temple. So today is Tuesday, so that's why all the villagers they are giving that communist feast. So I didn't have plan to go there, but my sister-in-law and niece they were forcing me to go. So that's why then I I got ready to go. So now me and my niece we were leaving. We will leave home, and we I will also bring some food from there, okay, for my mother, fathers, and my grandmother. I do not eat there, okay, because in communist feast, villagers they actually serve food nearby nearby the kitchen outside under the sky, but I do not eat there. I just bring food, and then I will eat with my grandmother, my father and mother. So now I'm going to leave now. So we are going to leave now. This is the board. I'm going to switch off the light, and I will show I will show you something on the way. Okay. So my friend, we are on the way. You can see here me and my niece. We three we are going to communist feast. There is a communist feast nearby the, as I said. Everyone. Say hello. Hello. She is 10-year old and she is you are 13 years old. Okay. 9 so you can see here it's an unpaved road. That road actually goes to our home, and here you can see there are so many fields that all are filled, and we can see some people also cultivate and sow some crops in this field. So it's evening time, and now it's good. Yeah, I am feeling good right now because today it was, I think, 40 degrees Celsius temperature. So it was boiling hot. We all were boiling. Like an omelette. Actually, after 11 o'clock to 4 o'clock, we all were inside in our home. We didn't come out. So now it's time to, we are going. I will show you there. There is a small temple, and people having food there. So I will show you. Okay. So my friend, we are about to reach. So we are about to reach. Nice. You can see there. Yeah. People have sat in a row, and chef they are serving food. चल 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 बैठा here you can see there. So that's people are having food. My friend, we are on the way to back home. You can see we have one bag. So my friend, it's 8 o'clock. So now I have reached, and today I will show you something. This is the sandal. This is the sandal for summer. So I bought it for myself. So it cost 300 rupees, 300 Indian rupees. Actually, my old summer season sandal that actually has worn out. So that's why I had to buy this one. So now I'm going to end the vlog. So please like, share, and subscribe. And please like, share, and support my video. Thank you very much.